my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Any kind of meat can be grilled on the barbecue. It can range from venison to sausages, beef, chicken, fish, and so on. Another popular one is pork. Among many of my recipes, there's one that is totally amazing, and it's my coffee cocoa pork tenderloin. Using my rub that I posted a couple years ago, this super easy, flavorful barbecue recipe is certainly a must-try this season. So let's get cooking. After removing the silver skin and patting it dry, we'll lightly brush on canola oil, covering the entire surface of our pork tenderloin. Next, we'll coat the meat with my coffee cocoa rub that I posted a couple years ago. And if you missed the episode, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. To do a good job, we'll use our clean hands and make sure the meat is completely covered, rubbing it on the sides as well. After it's done, we'll let it sit for 20 minutes. And if yours is cold, bring it to room temperature. All right, let's go to the barbecue. We'll pour some canola oil on a folded paper towel and using tongs, we'll oil the grates so the tenderloin doesn't stick to them. And we'll bring the temperature from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When it gets there, we'll place the meat on direct heat. Oh, I forgot to mention, leave one burner off, okay? Close the lid and grill for 7 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll flip the tenderloin, close the lid again, and grill for another 7 minutes. Nice grill marks. When time is up, we'll move the meat on indirect heat and continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit, leaving the other burners on. It's not an exact science, and it can take anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes more, depending on the size of the tenderloin. When it finally reaches its internal temperature, we'll transfer to a cutting board, cover loosely with foil, and let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing. By the way, a great sauce that complements this recipe is my red wine cream sauce, coming next month, so stay tuned. And my friends, this is our coffee cocoa pork tenderloin. Easy to make, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Using this flavorful rub brings a tantalizing taste to the meat. It's definitely a must-try this summer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!